Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. You check that your PC has a working network, then confirm date, time, and region match your Microsoft account because mismatches break authentication. Once done, sign out and back into the store app and restart both your PC and router to clear transient network or cache issues. If possible, switch to a phone hotspot for 1 minute to isolate ISP problems, then return to the store to see if the error persists. Next, address app level and network stack causes. You run WS reset, exe to wipe the store cache, and then restart the Windows Update and bit services because those services affect store connectivity and downloads. After that, flush DNS and renew IP using ipconfig commands, and reset the TCP/IP stack with netwinsock reset to clear corrupted sockets. Make sure to reboot after those commands. These steps remove stale cache and network state that commonly produce the check your internet connection message. For stubborn cases, perform advanced repairs and use a clear fallback. You remove and reinstall the Microsoft Store app with PowerShell to fix corrupted app packages, and if that fails, create a fresh user profile because account data can be the culprit. Finally, run DISM and System File Checker to repair system corruption and consider a system restore to a known good point. If these steps don't work, key troubleshooting. Test the store on another Windows device on the same network to confirm whether the problem is device-specific or network-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.